Hi guys, welcome back to Island Girl Recipes. Today we're going to be making everybody's favourite fried chicken. So here we go. So let's start with our ingredients. First we're going to brine this chicken. So I've got my chicken here which we're about to wash. I've also got some tea, some sugar and some salt. So we're going to start off by washing the chicken first with lemon juice and water, as always. You just want to let that sit for a little bit. We'll throw off this water and then we'll get ready to brine the chicken. So to prepare the brine, all we want to do is dissolve this tea with the salt and sugar. So you will see the amount of tea you need in the recipe below. I've added some boiling water and then I've discarded the tea bag or the fresh tea leaves, and that's what I'm going to use to dissolve the salt and the sugar. So once the salt and sugar has dissolved into the tea, you shouldn't see any grains left. That's when you know it's dissolved. We're going to get our chicken ready, so that's obviously been drained from the lemon and water, and then we're just going to place these into the brine and leave it at least 6 hours. I would say overnight is better in the fridge, so we're going to leave this overnight and come back to it. So I've just taken this chicken out of the fridge. It's been brining overnight and it's ready to be fried. So firstly, before we do anything, we just need to discard of this chicken brine and then prepare our coating to fry the chicken. So for the chicken coating, I've got here some cornmeal, some flour, and that's it. So all we're going to do is mix these together, pour them into a bag, and that's what we're going to use to shake up the chicken to coat them. So I'm using a bag because it makes it easier to coat them, because we can just literally drop the chicken into the bag, shake it up, and then they're fully coated. So that's what I'm going to do now. these are ready to be fried, so we want to make sure our oil is nice and hot. I'm aiming for around 170 degrees C if you have a thermometer, but you can always just check by breaking up a tiny piece of the chicken, dropping it in. If the oil starts to bubble quite vigorously straight away, you know that it's good to go. So this chicken is ready to come out. The best way to check is by using a thermometer, because that checks the core temperature on the inside, and because this chicken has bones in, you need to make sure that it's cooked right the way through. So we're just going to garnish it with a little bit of fresh herbs. We've got some coriander and also some lovely red chilli to add a little bit of heat. And I've served it with some potato salad, which I'll be sharing in a separate video, and I'll link it to this one after. So here we have my fried chicken. As always guys, thank you again for watching. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you try this recipe, tag me Caribe_UK on Instagram and Twitter, and #IslandGirlRecipes. Until the next time, peace and love.